What's your rule for negative keywords? When it comes down to negative keywords, we have this rule of thumb of it's a negative exact when it is a clear search term that has more than one root keyword, and there's going to be a negative phrase for something that is a toxic root. Allow me to explain. I was just working on some cool software Scalewave, and I was pulling Ngram analysis, and then it was, this is the best practice that the first 2 root keywords you're going to add them in phrase match. And I was like, that is BS. It's not the case, because let's say if you're selling cat scratch furniture protector, if you're going to add negative in phrase match cat scratch, those are my main keywords for that campaign. Like, I'm going to block all the traffic possible. So in that case, if let's say someone was looking for an XL cat scratch furniture protector and my product is a medium or a small, it's not an XL, then XL, it's the word that is going to become in phrase match, negative phrase match, not the whole thing, not 2 grams. And this is really important, because if you're going to miss this, you're going to block search terms that are relevant for your listing and you're not going to convert at all. Let me know if this makes sense for you. Right now, for me, it's like totally, yeah, it makes sense, but it's still best practice based on the latest, the up-to-date 2026 blogs that I'm following or advertisers that are talking about this, that you should be adding 2 keywords as phrase match. No, you should be adding only a root that is completely irrelevant. Another example, let's say this, I'm not sure how much ounces, but let's say this is like a 1 liter tumbler. Everything that it comes out for 500 milliliter, I would have it in negative phrase match, because my product is not a 500. My product is the 1000 milliliter, so 1 liter. Again, good rule of thumb when it comes down to this, you would never negate brand terms, own ASINs, converting routes in a campaign. You would always make sure that you would prefer exact first, and then phrase match. Reason for that, again, we don't want to end up with gating positive, relevant search terms.